with my mirror.
V, are you okay?
I don't know. He just said it was. He just said it open. Halfway through the
All right, Trey, are you ready? Squeeze those legs. Ready, hit it. Keep working hard. There's 7 G's right there. Keep working hard, Trey. How you doing, Trey? Trey, you back with me? Yeah. Nice work.
I'm also a quarter Asian, so I'm naturally a ninja. Can't you tell? So no head. Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god, no. That was fun though. Don't fall backwards! I'm only 16 and I'm dying! You're okay! Oh my god! You're okay!
You're not.
Help! 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 911! I'm gonna call him!
No, here, give me your phone.
No! No! I wanna call my friend! Can I call my friend?
Hey, I've been texting your friends and telling them you're okay.
No, can you tell them? I wanna tell them myself.
Okay.
Hop on the flamingo.
Ika, get on the noodle. Ika, get on.
I can't decide on shoes. Black. Oh my god.
Das ist das Blödste, was ich seit langem gesehen habe.
You don't think it looks that bad?
No, I don't.
What's that?
I don't think it looks that bad.
The other way?
I think it looks fine.
Okay.
How am I gonna get out?
Shooting the ball. Here we go. Oh.
You don't have to have a lead.
You just hold the fuck on.
Yep.
Please fall, baby. Move your ass! Put them! Oh, yeah, he got it. No! Damn it! I missed it!
Goldfish.
Oh my god! Her finger's stuck. How do you get your finger? No! Jalen, stop trying to hit this thing. Her finger's stuck.
Up, get it. Dang!
Wow. Oh yeah. We're good. Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not staying tight.
We'll never know. Hey, did y'all get that on film? That's good. Just break it if you need it, Bobby.